Yes. Because he's tapping into your energy.
Out there I call Mr. Jack.
Come, let's go.
Yeah, I call my me and what's that?
Oh, okay. So
Wow.
you like respect him as an artist.
Wow. He's the one that do the painting down there.
Uh-huh.
Bruce Allen, and that is me. I call
Wow.
myself as the
Wow,
beggar.
awesome.
Wow. And that is Mr. Jackson.
That's Mr. Jackson.
Yeah.
Mr. Jackson owns.
Yes. Who owns this property here.
Wow. Amazing.
Cool. So we carve this as the wishing well. You know, but I tell enough people, let's pose as the beggar. I say, no, they're not posed as no beggar. We say, okay, I want to be the beggar.
Oh, you're begging, I see.
Yes. But I could be begging for mercy.
So,
More knowledge from the universe. Or more knowledge
Or
from
more
the
knowledge. I always want more knowledge.
Right.
You know, I want to know the depths of creation. I think I can do it through art. You know. But there's many forms of art around the world. But stone sculpture, it died out.
yes. Just because there's no young people want to.
No, it's too hard to do.
Yeah.
Sculpture is to take much more time, consume a lot of energy. A lot of people, easy thing. Easy, too easy. We need to use our brain. Our brain have been used sometimes because our people have money. They can eat, they can drink, they can drive car, or brain stop.
Sit at a desk.
They sit at the desk and just do it.
Yeah.
But if you master the thought of thinking, things happen in the art world.
Oh,
You
yeah,
have to
absolutely.
explain.
Is the woman someone?
Yes,
Or is-
Bruce Allen's wife.
Oh,
But
okay.
But I carve Bruce as the cripple and his wife as the cripple. So everybody is at the wishing well. The beggar is at the wishing well. Everybody want their dream come true.
Okay.
So you're wishing well in your mind. You will enter it at times and ask yourself. You're asking yourself to make your wish come true.
Right.
You know, but sometimes you say, oh, I'm asking God. I want God to help me. You have to help yourself. He will help you. He already helped you with the brain. You know what I mean? So that help when you give with the brain.
Yes.
You're supposed to unlock every quarters of your brain and find out where it is and what you can do with it.
Right.
Put yourself to work. This energy here to carve all this thinking here. You know, it is simple and easy to me as an artist.
Right.
But in reality, this is true.
Yes.
Everybody is asking for their wish to come true. The beggar on the street, the cripple on the street, the man who sits at the desk who is a professional thinker.
Yeah, I was gonna say he's thinking.
Yes, he's thinking. He wants.
In other words, even the very wealthy is at the wishing well.
At the wishing
And
well.
I like how you capture that.
Yes.
That's very interesting.
Yes.
And the lion behind him.
And the lion is creating this amount of noise. When the lion roar, you can't think. You're more of a scatter and you're more of a run away. So the noise where lion produce still don't stop you from think and sort out your problem or sort out the problem of the day for the whole country
And not get distracted.
and not get distracted.
Uh-huh.
Because when the lion roar, the roar that the lion make you can hear from miles. You can't stay beside him and think in a tent or in a building or nowhere. The roar alone, the noise alone. So don't make no noise around you. Stop you from really reaching out into the depths of your brain to solve the solution.
Wow.
You understand me? That's what the thinker is about. You can't take him off of that. He ruled creation. He will create. You understand me? So you are the great thinker. She is the great thinker. So don't leave it behind and think it's only one person. Everybody is a part of this game and thinking to make it right. You know, he have to solve our problems. So sometimes you're thinking for the whole community. When the community is not really doing anything, you rise everybody back up so they can start to think again.
So when you were carving this, was what you're saying going through you while you were carving?
The same thoughts, you know, bringing people together to start to think more. So the work will come out better.
So this stone was
One stone. And we have this inner piece there left to carve.
really?
Yeah.
Wow. And
This is going to be a fountain when it's finished, a small fountain. Water bubble up about maybe 2 feet.